Doych is Bulgarian company that has won market leadership positions and customers' trust with the development, manufacturing and selling of natural food supplements. Foods for special medical purposes and cosmetics with high quality, proven effectiveness and safety. Doych limited products are manufactured in our own modern production facility, meeting all European requirements. Doych Limited has all necessary certificates, ISO 9001-2015, HACCP, GMP, Regulation EO, N1223-2009, Regulation N8 and N47, BDS EN ISO 22716-2008, as well as a registration certificate from US FDA and European certificate for conformity that gives the right its products to be marked with the sign CE.